Well, we had a serious hailstorm and it did some pretty good number on this trailer, that's for sure. This is open to the outside now. And a lot of damage on the side of the trailer. I'll show you in the daylight tomorrow. So I got up here about 1 o'clock in the morning. I'd heard there's a big hail storm came across here, and you can see when I pulled up here to the gate and saw all these limbs down from the trees, all these small leaves. That's a definite sign of big hail. So I already knew it was going to be bad. So as you can see, pretty good sized hailstones. Did a pretty good number on this side of the trailer here. You can see up on the roof there, just some pretty big damage. Knocked that light off. A lot of dents up there. And of course, either the soft plastic stuff got destroyed, like this here. Mrs. Chef's Chinese washing machine. And of course, the patio furniture didn't fare very well. As you can see, the size of the hailstones were at least that big, golf ball size. But what a mess. I hope the AC units don't work. I haven't even tried them yet. Some of these are pretty big, baseball size. And of course, the hanging basket I just got her for Mother's Day. Yeah. And of course, this mess I'll have to deal with. So yeah, a lot of mess. So the power pole guy was supposed to meet me today, but because of this big storm, he's dealing with other stuff, so he can't meet me to come show me about running the poles out here to get me power. So that kind of sucks too. He said give him a few days and reschedule. So when it rains, it pours, literally.